Good morning, children. Very good morning to you. Nana, in the last class we have done the chapter Thanali Ramanan is with Brinjal Curry. Okay, na? I think you have written the new words also in the first page. So today we will do the today we'll do the concept connection, that is your adjectives. 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 Adjectives are words that describe a noun. Adjectives, they see the definition. Adjectives are the words which describe a noun. Describe a noun. See, what is an adjective? Adjectives are the words which describe a noun. It describes a noun, whether it is a thing or a person or a place. Okay, now we can say Hyderabad is a vast area. Okay, now Siddhartha school is having a vast playground. Okay, in the same way, that girl is tallest girl in the class. Reena is the shortest girl in the class. It describes a noun here. It describes a noun. Understood? So it also, the adjective tells about it also tells us about, it also tells us about an object and objects, 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 size, shape, age and color, etc. Age, color, etc. Okay, Nanda? So what is an adjective? Adjectives are the words which describe a noun, which describe and it modifies a noun. It tells how the noun represents. Okay, now she's a beautiful girl in the class. The weather is very beautiful outside. How is the weather? It is very beautiful. How is the plant? It's very short. Like the short, tall, beautiful. These all are your adjectives. Understood? These all are your adjectives. Okay, Nana? Here, in these adjectives, we are going to learn about the degrees of comparison. Now you write down this. You are going to take your fresh page. After writing the new words, you are going to take a fresh page and you are going to write the heading adjectives, and then you are going to write the leave one or two lines after putting the heading adjectives. Then you go for the definition. After putting the adjectives heading, leave one or two lines and write the adjectives definition. Adjectives are the words which describe a noun. It also tells us about an object's size, shape, age, color, etc. Okay, Nana? This is the matter of the adjectives. Now, I told you before also, here we are going to learn about the degrees of comparison. Okay, Nama? We are going to learn about the degrees of comparison. Here, without the adjectives, we are unable to do the degrees of comparison. In the same way, without the verbs, we are unable to do the tenses. Okay, now in the fourth or fifth chapter, we have done the tenses. For the tenses, we are going to learn verbs. Without learning the verbs, we cannot do the tenses. In the same way, without adjectives, you cannot frame the degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison are three. Now you write down this, and after writing this, leave 2 lines. Completing this, leave 2 lines. 2 lines. You are going to leave 2 lines and write the heading. Okay, for that, sorry. It's a big way. For after writing the adjectives definition, write the example of adjectives. It is a tall, it is a beautiful garden. Examples for adjectives. Adjectives example. After writing the definition, you write the adjectives examples. It is a beautiful, B-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful garden, G-A-R-D-E-N, garden is a beautiful garden. Beautiful is your adjective. The boy is very tall. It is a beautiful garden. It is a tall plant, tall tree. It is a tall tree. Or tall is your tree. Okay, Nama? Tall is your adjective. Then again, Raju is a fat boy. Fat big boy. So here, what is happening, Nana? It is a beautiful garden. We are describing the garden here. How is the garden here? Beautiful. How is the garden here? So it is an adjective. Okay, na? Adjective means it modifies a noun. So here, modifies a noun means here it is telling about the garden, how the garden is. So it's a beautiful. Now it is a tall tree. It is a tall tree. Here, tall means here it is describing the tree. How is the tree? Short or tall? Tall. Okay. Now in the third one, Raju is a fat boy. Raju is a fat boy. How is the boy? Fat. So these are your describing words. Those are known as adjectives. Understood, Nana? These are the examples. Write down after writing the definition of the adjectives. Okay, na? I think you will write. Write neatly, leaving the space. You are writing with the pen now, so your handwriting must be perfect. Okay, without mistakes you are going to copy. Next, now we go for the degrees of comparison. I told you, degrees of comparisons are done with the adjectives and tenses are done with the verbs. Yes, degrees of comparisons are done with the adjectives and tenses are done with the verbs. Now we will see the degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. Okay, so these degrees of comparison are nothing but compare the qualities of the people. The degrees of comparisons are used when we compare the qualities of people, things. People or things. There are 3 degrees of comparison. Here degrees of used to compare the degrees of, write down, Nana. If you are having a place there, after adjectives you write, or you can take better on new page. Degrees of comparison are used to when we compare the qualities, QUALITIES, qualities of people or things, Understood, Nana? What I told you, degrees of comparison? Degrees of comparison are యూస్డ్ వెన్ వి కంపేర్, మనము కంపేర్ చేస్తాం అనమాట. మనిషిని కానీ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కానీ ఒక దాంతో కాకపోతే ఇంకో దాంతో కంపేర్ చేసినప్పుడు మనం ఈ డిగ్రీస్ ఆఫ్ కంపారిజన్ యూస్ చేస్తాము. డిగ్రీస్ ఆఫ్ కంపారిజన్ ఆర్ యూస్డ్ వెన్ వి కంపేర్ ద క్వాలిటీస్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ థింగ్స్. ఓకేనమ్మా, డిగ్రీస్ ఆఫ్ కంపారిజన్స్ ఆర్ యూస్డ్ వెన్ వి కంపేర్ ద క్వాలిటీస్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ things. How many degrees of comparisons are there? There are, see here, write down, there are 3 degrees of comparison. 3 degrees. Comparison. Okay, Nama. First one is positive degree, the positive. Second one is the comparative. Second one is the comparative. Third one is the superlative. Third one is the superlative. Understood, Nana? What I told you? How many degrees of comparison? First one is adjectives. What are the adjectives? They are the describing words. What are the adjectives? They are the describing words. Okay, na? Adjectives are words that describe a noun, which describe a noun. Understood? So here it tells more about a object size, shape, age, color, etc. Okay, Nana? Examples I have given you 3. Raji is a fat boy. The tree is very tall. It is a tall tree, like that. Okay, na? So in the degrees of comparison are used when we compare the people, when we compare the qualities of people or things. That is, things are nothing but objects. There are 3 degrees of comparison. 3 degrees of comparison. So they are the positive degree, the comparative, and the superlative. Okay, na? The positive, comparative, and superlative. Understood? So I have given you 3 degrees. Next one. Next one. Now we'll see degrees of comparison. three, no? First one, second one, and like this. Positive. Next one is comparative. And superlative. positive degree, here how many degrees are there? Positive, comparative and superlative. In the positive degree, we are going to talk only about one person. Okay, qualities of only one person. Only one person we are going to talk. Okay, na? In the second quality, in the second degree, comparative degree, we are going to talk more than one. That is two or three. Two people. Okay, na? Now we are going to talk about two people. Two person or things. One person or thing. Okay? In the same way, two people or thing. Or things. Okay, na? Next here and here we are going to talk about only one person. You are going to bring up only one person. That is, you are going to highlight only one person. One among, here only one among everyone. One among everyone. One among everyone. Understood here? Here we are talking only about the one person. That is, she is a small girl. She is a small girl. Okay, Sita is a small girl. Then Rita is smaller than Geeta. Rita is smaller than Geeta. Here Rita is a small girl. Rita is smaller than Geeta. Here what we are going to do? We are going to highlight only one person. Jhansi is smallest girl in the class. Jhansi is smallest girl in the class. Okay, na? Here what is happening? I am talking only about only one person. Here I am comparing two people here. Two people I am going to compare. Okay, na? Two people I am going to compare, and here ER is used, small I. Always is adjectives. ER and than is used here. ER and than is used for the comparative degree. ER and than. Here you are going to use EST and you are going to highlight EST. You are going to use and you are going to highlight only one person. One among everyone. You are going to highlight only one person and one among everyone. Understood? Understood, Nana? What I told you? See here, Sita is a small girl. Rita is smaller than Geeta. Jhansi is the tallest girl in the class. So here in the superlative degree, you are going to highlight only one among everybody. Understood? One among everybody. So what did we learn today? Again, I will be giving the table of the positive, comparative and superlative degree in the next class. Okay? So today we have learned about the adjectives. Adjectives are nothing but they modify the noun. Adjectives modify the noun. Without adjectives, we cannot frame the degrees of comparison. So degrees of comparisons are how many? 3 are there. They are positive degree, comparative and superlative. In the positive degree, we are going to talk only about only one person. We are going to talk about only one person. In the comparative degree, we are going to talk about two people here. ER is used and than is used here. ER is used and than is used. In the superlative degree, we are going to use only one. We are going to highlight only one person among everybody. That is, we are going to highlight only one person. And in the comparative degree, we are using ER for the given adjective, and we are also using than to compare the other person. Whereas in the superlative degree, we are going to use only EST. Only EST we are going to use, and we are going to highlight that one among. We are going to highlight only one person in a whole. One person in a whole. I think you have understood. Yes, I'll be giving the chart of degrees of comparison in the next class. Please go through the video. Okay, again and again. If you observe 2 or 3 times, you can easily understand the degrees of comparisons. So we have done with the adjectives and degrees of comparison. Okay, Nana. Next one is tomorrow I will be how did the emperor, see here practice on one question answer, how did the emperor guard his brinjal plants? The emperor kept the garden with brinjals well guarded. No one was allowed to view the plants without his permission. What happened after Tenali Raman had ate the brinjal curry? Tenali Raman enjoyed the brinjal curry very much. He could not stop praising the curry, so his wife forced him to bring the curries and bring the brinjals. Okay, Nana? Okay, we'll just go through the video and complete that work in your notes. Okay? So, we'll meet in the next class.